Lights. Lighting Ministry. Hi, I'm Ralph Rem. I'm currently the lighting director for Christian Leadership. Let's go through the basics, shall we? Ralph Rem back at you. These are buffet trees. These are what surround the stage and the altar. Each one has a dedicated position which you, my friend, must draw up on your weekly file. Now, these can be controlled through a dimmer. But what? 3 plugs? How is that possible? Cube tap, please. Whoa, look at that. 3 in 1. You plug all 3 of these into this cube tap, and you run an extension cord from this cube tap to your extension cord, or like I sometimes do, run your dimmer, which controls these on a channel, so you can go high or low, depending on the mood. This is a LACO, specifically an ETC Source 4. These are mainly used for gobo projections around the gym, as well as a spot on the cross. Simple as that. You have your shutters, you have your focus, and you also have your gobo placement and iris. I'll go through these in more detail throughout the video. Now the Source 4s I was just showing you, where do they stand? Well, this is your answer, a C-stand. How this works is you reach in this bolt over here, and you pull up and make sure the legs are completely flat, and you tighten it. Make sure you tighten it well. Source 4, please. And your Source 4 goes right on top. And you tighten this bolt. If my awesome camera guy can come around so he can see this. There is a bolt right here that you twist, and you tighten in that stand that was just in. And then position accordingly. And that's it for me for lighting director. Now for your lighting operator, which is Brian Goblai, and then after that it's your cabler Philip Friend and your gaffer Sachi De La Cruz. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video.
Hi, I'm Brian Goblai, and I'm the lighting operator here at Christian Leadership, and today I'm going to show you what my job is. Cube tap, please. So I'm going to show you how we set up one of these buffet trees. So the first step is you got to plug your cube tap in to all of the outlets on the tree, so that way you can get your power to all the lights. Then, once you have all your power, just like this, you have to make sure that all these lights are focused where they should be on the stage. Normally when doing focusing on the stage, you want to make sure that there's an equal amount of light everywhere on the stage. So the first step for setting up the LACOs in the corner of the mast is you need your gobo. So this gobo here is the prayer hands that you see in the corner of the gym. So what it is it is a piece of metal inside of a metal sheet that inserts into the LACO, or the Source 4 as Rafa told us earlier. And by inserting it into the top of the LACO, right here, when this light is on and it shines, you're going to be able to see the shape that it had on the gobo on the wall. So now that we have our LACO set up with our gobo, we're going to put it in our light stand like we had shown earlier with Ralph. And before we do anything, we want to make sure it's tied down so that way it doesn't come out. So once it's tight, you want to make sure that you get this in the correct position on the wall so that way it's seen correctly. And then tighten this here on the side so it doesn't rotate. Once that's done, you want to make sure that you focus it by unscrewing this screw here and sliding this out accordingly, and then tightening it back up. Then once you do that, you want to make sure that your shutters are out or in to the correct position so that way that the gobo shines on the wall correctly. So now that our buffet tree and our LACO are set up with our correct alignment and we don't have any power on either of them, that's when our friend Philip on the crew takes over and powers them up.
Hi, my name is Philip Frem. I'm the cable guy. So to power these gobos, what you have to do is put the female to the male, and then this male to any open female outlet. So since we have power now, the gobo should be projecting on the wall. So now we have to plug it into the buffet tree. Here it is. And we'll bring it back to Brian so then he could focus it.
So, Brian here again. So now that we have power thanks to Philip, I'm going to show you how we actually focus these lights. So, what you're going to do here is you're going to undo the screw on the side here, and you're going to be able to tilt it like this. And by doing that, you can focus the light where it needs to be. And then you tighten it up so it doesn't move, and you do the same for all the other lights. And then when you're done, you should have a focused buffet tree.
Philip here again. Since now Mass is over, we could safely take off the power, and now our coiling process will start. Go. After unplugging it, you can see this tangled mess. So, the process of untangling it will start with throwing it. And that is how we start to untangle it. So what you have to do, you have to follow the cord and simply just untangle what is there. And that's how you would get an untangled coil. So now since it's untangled, we can start the coiling process. One end on the female end, and the other end on the coil. Start off like this, then you go under, and go again. Now the same process over and over again, until you get the full, complete coil.
Hi, I'm Sachi. I'm the gaffer. So this is gaff tape. This is a strip of gaff tape, and I'm going to show you how to gaff the wire. So basically, you just take the strip, tape down the wires, and you do this every few feet or so until it feels tight and no one trips over it.